back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And today I'm finna go over my content creating journey because baby, it's been a mess. Okay, so about 3 weeks ago, my TikTok was at like 7K, right? And at that point I was building a community. I used to play baddies on live, which got me in trouble with the last time. Not from Zeus though, it was from somebody recording my page. But I had a good little following, a good community. People knew, you know, in my community knew who I was to find like information and see what was going on. Because at that point it was like a gossip niche. So I'll do hot topics, I'll talk about TV shows and things like that. So it was all going good until I went live for baddies on a Sunday and my page was completely taken. Now I will say I did have an account warning because I was making the mistake of just posting a video and putting it on there instead of doing it through the green screen. Don't make that same mistake because that's how they end up getting me, right? But now I know the mistake that I was making. I mean, it's too late to get my page back, but on the new page I'm definitely making sure I'm not making the mistakes. And at first it was a little frustrating, like, bro, I just built this up. People, you know, really starting to find me. I had a 1 million view, I had a 200,000 view, I had a 45,000, I had a few 32,000. So if I would have got to 10K, I would have got, you know, a little change for them videos. But I hear this is part of the content creator journey. Some people have to start over, and when they do, like me, they pretty much get how it goes, and it's going a lot faster. Because even though as of right now I have 206 followers, I still have a 34,000 view, a 32,000 view, and then I have like a 150K view. So even though the followers are not there, my views are still up, which means I'm finding my niche, and that's what's key, right? So my first YouTube was more of fun, right? It was vlogs, it was food review, which I'm still doing. But I noticed that channels with an actual niche, which is pretty much just a subject and a main topic, those move quicker. And I started another YouTube page for just the gossip stuff, and in 3 weeks I hit 500 subscribers and I'm already at 1,000 watch hours. Excuse me. So I have about 2,000 more to get monetized for the first part, and then you need 4,000 and 1,000 subscribers to get the whole entire monetization with ads included. So I mean, no context, y'all, it was a blessing in disguise, honestly, because with my old YouTube page it wasn't moving. And this is what I want to talk about. So I had a lot of followers, right? But because I didn't have a niche and I really didn't know where I was going, my engagement kept dropping. And what happened was I played a short that had to do with Real Housewives of Atlanta, right? And that got up to like 400,000 views. But the problem is I got followers based off Real Housewives of Atlanta, and that's not my niche. That's not what my channel was about. So I couldn't retain those followers and retain that engagement because I'm posting vlogs on food reviews, clothes, and stuff like that. And that wasn't how I was getting my followers. I was only getting my followers from that video. So learning all of that stuff, starting this second channel, it makes a difference. Like, it's good to get followers, but you want to make sure your followers are engaging. Which is why my second channel, I really didn't promote it that much. I showed like different clips on my social media, and I'll have the YouTube there, but I wasn't pressing it like I was pressing the last channel. And I honestly like the organic style of it. Like I said, you do want people to know. So I definitely changed my name to my new YouTube channel, but I'm just not. Follow me like I was on my last one. Follow this, y'all. And I was constantly posting stuff. But when you have an organic following, it's so much better. I mean, my comment section, everything, I'm loving it. And something else I'm doing that I haven't done before is that I'm posting like 3 to 5 videos, I would say, a day. And that's because hot topics, there's always something to talk about. So I'll always have something to say. And that's, I suggest you do. Find something that you know you're going to be around and going to be doing on a daily, so you know you can produce content. Now, one thing I will say is, with me posting every single day and waiting for the hot topic news, I do have to find a way, like I did my last channel, on how not to get burnt out. Because what I was doing with my last channel is I would create all my vlogs. Like this, I'm creating 3 vlogs today. So I already have those out the way, and I'm going to premiere it for YouTube, and it'll be posted, you know, on its own time. Because you can just set a time and a date and it'll do it itself. But I already had a vlog, so when the day comes, it's not like, oh man, I need a vlog, I need to do something. I will already have it, right? But for this, with hot topics, you pretty much gotta wait, unless you're okay with just being like a few days behind, which to me is fine, because when I look at shows like Fox Soul, Joe Budden podcast, and a few other podcasts, they are a few days late and they still get the attraction that they need. Granted, I'm working my way up to it, but I'm just watching how they, you know, they do certain things to see, you know, what I can take from it, what I can switch it up. I don't want to be exactly like any other podcast. I definitely want to be original, but you want to do what's working as well. So I'm trying to see what else. Oh, VidQ is a huge help. It's an app. Let me show y'all. This right here has been a lifesaver. Okay, it's the first. Trying to make sure I don't show too much, you know. But this is how it looks. And then you click on optimize and it's going to show you your video, right? So you will click on a video. Dang, y'all. Okay, here you go. So you click on a video and you're going to scroll down. And it helps you with tags. Tags are so important. It's like hashtags and the YouTube version of their tags. This is key, because this is how you get in the algorithm. So you can start off with a few words and it'll help you create more as it go. But it's still up to you to find that hashtag that's gonna really push your page. But as you see, they're color coded. So the blue is mean you're real good. You're in the right niche, and then the other colors, they have numbers on them. So I do this immediately after I post my video, because at first I'm like, why isn't my video reaching certain things? And then I'm learning the whole transcript, which I don't have a transcript, and I need to learn how to do that, because I have seen that channels that are more how can I say this, channels that look organized, you know, transcript, description, blah blah blah, you know, those also get more traction too, because from a viewer standpoint, it looks like you're serious about this channel, and it's just not like a little, you know, not something that you just not serious about. Excuse me. But I think that's it, y'all. I think that's all I really wanted to share. The content creator journey has been one. I'll do another video on like the different brand deals I've been and what I've learned from doing brand deals and not selling yourself short. But yeah, y'all, this has been a journey. The page with the 500, I definitely tagged it in my description. So if you want to hear, you know, me talk about, give my little opinion, you know, apparently people want to hear from me. So I'm going to keep doing it as long as I get the views. You get the hate, but I give myself a time limit on reading the comments. Like a certain time of the day, I don't read comments until the next day, because it could be overwhelming. But if I think anything else, I'll let you know. Peace.